What's up, everybody? Now, you know I'm a foodie, and if you're ever in the Las Vegas area, you need to check out this black owned restaurant called DB's Cajun Kitchen on North Rancho Drive in Vegas. Let me tell you, the food was so fire, the lines was wrapped around the building. That's how good the food was. We ordered the Who Dat with fish and shrimp, the Boss Dat with lobster and shrimp. Now, that was so good. We had the shrimp po' boy with fried green tomatoes, and my favorite, the mixed crab boil. Baby, when I tell you it was fire, it was fire. Go check them out. You won't be disappointed.